Welcome back to IT Next. In today's video, I'm showing you the easiest way to install Windows 11 25 hours 2 without a USB flash drive. You only need one thing, the ISO file. No data loss, no programs lost. Let's get started. First, open your browser. Up here, type to search www.google.com. Search Download Windows 11 Disk Image. Open the first link. Scroll down to Download Windows 11 Disk Image. Select Windows 11. Click Confirm. Choose your language and click Confirm. Click here to start the download. Once the ISO finishes downloading, go to your Downloads folder. Right-click on the ISO file and choose Mount. Windows will create a virtual DVD drive. Open the mounted ISO and double-click setup.exe. This will launch the Windows 11 installer. Here, choose Not Right Now and then click Next. Now, if you face this problem during the installation process that this PC doesn't currently meet Windows 11 system requirements, never mind. In this video, let me show you how to fix this. Click Close. Select and copy all these files. Open this PC. Open Drive C. Create a new folder and rename it as Windows 11. Now paste files here. Under this folder, move up here and then right-click. Select Copy Address. Click on Start and then search CMD. Right-click and then run it as administrator. Under Command Prompt, press Ctrl plus Ladder V to paste the address. Now type this and hit Enter. Again, this will launch the setup. Click Not Right Now and then Next. This is the most important step. Click Change What to Keep and select Keep Personal Files and Apps. This ensures everything stays safe, no data loss. Click Next. Windows will now prepare the installation and restart your PC. The system will copy files and upgrade automatically. Just be patient, it usually takes 10 to 25 minutes. After rebooting, complete the welcome steps. Your apps, documents, and settings should all be exactly where they were. Thank you for watching. If this tutorial helped you, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos from IT Next. See you in the next one.